First, I'm going to do the ponytail. So the hair has been sectioned. I'm just going to do the ponytail. This is a quick hairstyle, can be used for wedding, for special events. So now that the ponytail is done, so I'm just going to take that hair from the crown. I'm just going to tease it a little bit because it do take time, so I just want us to be quick. So take this section like that, and I'm just going to tease it. So what does this do? This give it volume. If we are just meeting for the first time, my name is Chris Bex and welcome to the channel. I am a bridal hairstylist in London. If you are in London, you want to get married for any special occasion, this is our website and we would love to hear from you. And we teach students all over the world how to style beautiful hair like this. So now this is optional. If you want the hair to have volume, you can do this. If you don't want it to have volume, you don't really need to do this. So I'm just showing you what you can do.
I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd.
I'm going to take the one on the side. I'm just going to flip it to the back as well because this style is a dramatic hairstyle and a lot of people are asking for this hairstyle. And I said, let me show you how to do it. I'm just going to twist it so you can see what I'm doing now. It's not that difficult. I've done a lot of style like this as I twist. So twist it, make sure it's a little bit firm on your hand, and then we are going to twist the other side and put on it as well. So I'm just going to comb this and then just put it there like that. Use one of the clip which I'm looking for. Always put your things close to you. Comb it again, okay? And then just spray it to just give it a little bit of a structure. And then we are going to use our pin to just keep it in place. A lot of people ask me, Chris, where is the best way to learn? Can we learn on YouTube or we have to take the course? I would say you can learn from anywhere. You can learn from YouTube. You can learn from course. There is two types of learning, okay? So YouTube learning is a lot of information. It's different way of learning. Now the course learning is this. That is because YouTube learning is information because you get information from different people. You need time. That takes time to get information, to start practicing it. That takes time. But for the online classes, that's what we call a transformation because that person has put everything together in that course to show you what to do.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. Coming
So now I'm just going to pin it in place. So you can see what I'm doing now. So you twist it. If you like, you can still do like the 2-strand twist, but this is not just it's so easy. You can see, just fold it and pin it, fold it. People like this kind of hairstyle. You need a little bit of longer hair to be able to do this. When the hair is long, it's easy to do. Now I'm just going to twist that place, okay, put the pin and just twist it and just find a way to just hide it inside because we don't want the end showing. This is it. Beautiful hairstyle. If you want to learn more, check my description. You see I have a free video for you that will teach you how to do the perfect sweep. A lot of people, they like it. It's a small mini video that I have in one of my courses before. I say maybe some of you would like to learn something new. This is the hairstyle. What do you think about this hairstyle? So what I do now, when I finish, I just try to arrange the hair. So it's not, don't just finish like that. You just have to like take your time to just clean it up. This is like the little extra. It's like you're putting salt in the soup when you finish. So now this is the hairstyle. So I'm just going to pin that place because that place was showing. Just make sure that nothing is showing. When I finish, I put some of the spray to just make sure that I'm teaching you something. I don't want you to style and you need to send me picture. Okay, send me picture so that I can tell you what you've done right and what you've done wrong. So this part now, I just put the accessory. You can use any accessory. I play with a lot of accessory. I think you should do that as well. So just put it and see where it looks. I think this looks really, really nice. If you've watched this video up to now, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and share it out. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Subscribe for more. Bye.
Down for the count, I was on 9-9 all the time. Shattered soul, you took control.